Hey guys, another video here. Going to be doing a couple instructional videos on this green Rubicon. We got this one without a freaking vent line on it from the factory, from Honda. And we routed that line for the vent, for the rear diff on there, but never had the factory one. So I'm not sure what kind of stuff is going to come out. This one has been on one ride. So all the people that maybe are a little worried about changing their own differential fluid in these things, how easy it is, and something that you can do at your house. It's not something that you got to take your machine all the way to the dealership for. All you'll basically need, what I use, is a 17 millimeter ratcheting wrench. This is a kind of expensive one. I've worked on cars for a living for a long time, so I do have a pretty good amount of tools, maybe more than some others, but even so, a drain pan is all you really need underneath here. 17 millimeter wrench, and the drain on the differential is a 10 millimeter bolt that you can just unscrew. Before draining it though, you always want to remove the fill plug first. It'll help let the differential breathe. So we're just going to take this off here. I like to do just a couple turns with the ratchet and pretty much take it out by hand afterwards. The last thing I want, oh yeah, is this brand new machine. That is nasty. Guys, this thing only has 60 miles on it. And it is disgusting. Check your machines. That should not be coming out of this machine with 60 miles on it. But whenever you go over your own machine, you know how to check your machines. Hopefully you can prevent stupid stuff like this. I might need to let it finish draining first. Hoping to do this kind of a quicker video than you guys watching oil drain, but apparently it is so nasty and filled with water and dirt and crap, I guess, that it's over full now. So I'm glad we caught this when we did and we didn't take it on another ride, because this could have been a brand new blow up right here. I hope I can just get it clean enough it doesn't affect it long term. I'm just going to go ahead and try to take this thing out. There it goes. I got gloves on. All right. Set that right there for you guys. I'm gonna try to use it. Man, this oil is nasty. I can't believe that Honda forgot this, and I don't know if it's the dealer's fault or the Honda factory's fault, but that is nasty. Oh yeah. All right, so while this is draining, other little quick tip I have for you guys doing this is getting your gear oil in there. Without this, it makes it a little bit more difficult. I got this at O'Reilly's. It's just a can. You can fill it up with whatever gear oil your individual machine needs. It's flexible spout. You can bend it, pump that thing up, and within no time you got clean differential oil again and won't have any issues. I can pretty much hold this thing one hand and pump into there. I want to try to make sure that I get clean oil out of this thing before I fill it back up. But I'm super glad that we caught this. This should have never happened, but unfortunately sometimes it does. All right, well, I'm gonna let this drain now, and when it ever finally finishes draining, I will pump some more fresh oil in there, try to hope that everything comes out of it before I fill this thing up. But just want to give you guys a quick little video on how easy it was. Thank you.